What is the universe? It's a simple question, isn't it? But the answer is perhaps the most profound thing we can contemplate. Look up at the night sky. Each point of light, each star, is a sun much like our own, often circled by its own family of planets. But that's just our immediate neighborhood. Those stars are part of a vast city of stars we call the Milky Way galaxy. And this galaxy, with its hundreds of billions of suns, is just one of countless others. The universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, the dust clouds between them, light, and even time itself. It is the grandest stage imaginable, and we are impossibly a part of it. The scale of it all is almost too much for the human mind to grasp. If our sun were the size of a single grain of sand, our Milky Way galaxy would be a sprawling desert stretching for miles. And that desert is just one among billions, perhaps trillions of similar deserts scattered across an ocean of nothingness. This immense collection of galaxies, separated by unimaginable voids, makes up the known universe. But is that all there is? Does it go on forever? Or does it have an edge? Is made from atoms forged in the hearts of dying stars billions of years ago? We are literally stardust. The universe is not just something out there, it is within us. Imagine you are baking a loaf of raisin bread. Before you put it in the oven, you have a lump of dough with raisins scattered throughout. As the bread bakes, the dough begins to rise and expand. From the perspective of any single raisin, all the other raisins appear to be moving away from it. The raisins themselves aren't moving through the dough, but the dough itself is expanding, carrying them along. This is a brilliant way to think about the expansion of the universe. The galaxies are like the raisins, and the fabric of space-time itself is the dough. It's not that galaxies are flying through space away from us, it's that space itself is stretching, creating more distance between everything. We are used to thinking about motion within a space, like a car driving down a road. But here, the road itself is getting longer. It means there is no central point to the expansion. There is no middle of the universe from which everything is expanding away. If you were on a distant galaxy, one of those other raisins in our cosmic loaf, you would see the exact same thing. All the other galaxies, including our own Milky Way, would appear to be moving away from you. Our journey to this incredible realization began with a man and a telescope. In the 1920s, an American astronomer named Edwin Hubble was using the most powerful telescope of his time at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California. His mission was to settle a great debate. Were the faint, fuzzy patches of light in the sky, known as nebulae, simply gas clouds within our own Milky Way? Or were they entire island universes, galaxies, in their own right, far beyond our own? By carefully measuring the distances to these objects, Hubble proved they were indeed other galaxies, millions of light years away. He single-handedly expanded the known universe from one galaxy to many. But his most startling discovery was yet to come. Hubble didn't just measure the distances to these galaxies. He also studied their light. The light from almost every galaxy he observed was shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. He plotted a graph, placing a galaxy's distance on one axis and its speed on the other. A stunningly clear pattern emerged from the data points. The farther away a galaxy was, the faster it was moving away from us. This was the first concrete observational evidence that our universe was expanding. So what exactly is this redshift that Hubble saw? To understand it, we need to think about light as a wave. Just like a sound wave or a wave on the ocean, light has peaks and troughs. The distance between one peak and the next is its wavelength. Different wavelengths correspond to different colors. Think of it like the sound from a passing ambulance. As the ambulance speeds towards you, the sound waves get compressed, making the siren's pitch higher. As it speeds away, the sound waves are stretched out and the pitch drops lower. This change in frequency due to motion is called the Doppler effect, and it happens with light too. The light leaves a distant galaxy and travels through the universe towards our telescopes. During its journey, which can take billions of years, the space it is traveling through is itself expanding. The light wave gets stretched along with the fabric of space-time. So, by measuring the redshift of a galaxy, we are essentially looking back in time and measuring how much the universe has expanded since that light began its long voyage. Our discovery of the expanding universe has answered many questions, but it has opened up a Pandora's box of even bigger, more profound mysteries. Chief among them is the puzzle of dark energy. What is this strange anti-gravitational force that is accelerating the expansion of the cosmos? Is it a property of empty space itself, what Einstein called a cosmological constant? Another deep mystery is the very beginning. What happened before the Big Bang? What caused it? Was our Big Bang the only one, or are we part of a multiverse, a cosmic sea of countless other universes, each with its own Big Bang, and perhaps even its own laws of physics? Solving this discrepancy is a major focus for astronomers today. And so our journey continues. The expanding universe is not just a scientific theory, it is an invitation to wonder. It reminds us that we live in a cosmos that is far grander and stranger than we ever imagined. We are explorers on the shores of a cosmic ocean, and we have only just begun to chart its waters. The mind-blowing truth is that the universe is not only expanding, but our understanding of it is too. And the greatest discoveries, the most profound secrets of existence, may still be out there, waiting in the dark between the galaxies for us to find them. Subscribe, like, and comment for more universe content.